Hello everyone, welcome to our class today. Today we will discuss about translation method.
Happy watching!
Translation method are different ways of translating text from one language to another language. There are many types of translation method. The first method is translation word for word. This method translates each word literally without considering the context or the grammar of the language. This can result in inaccurate or unnatural translation, especially for languages that have different word order or idioms. For example, in the first example, I go to school. If we using the word for word translation, it becomes saya pergi ke sekolah. Example, happy birthday. If we use word for word method, the meaning of happy birthday will become bahagia ulang tahun. Why the meaning is not selamat ulang tahun? Because word for word method translate the word as their real meaning. Now we move to the next method, literal translation. This method translates the grammatical structure of the source text into similar one in the target language, while preserving the meaning of the word. This method can produce more accurate translation than word for word, but it may still lose some nuance and cultural reference. Next, the third method is communicative translation. This method focuses on conveying the message and the tone of the source text in the target language using natural and idiomatic expression. Next, move to the fourth method is adaptation. This method adapts the source text to the target culture by changing or replacing some element that may not be familiar or appropriate for the audience. There are some examples for adaptation method. And the last one, we move to the next method, is semantic translation. This method tries to balance between the literal and the communicative approach by preserving both the meaning and the form of the source text in the target language.
In conclusion, understanding and selecting the right translation method is crucial for conveying the intended message accurately. Whether it's word for word, literal, semantic, adaptation, or communicative, each method plays a unique role in the dynamic world of translation. Thanks all our listen today, and thank you for watching.